Your voice is the tool that you have to bring your ideas, thoughts, and emotions into the world. It's like a bridge between you and other people. But the voice doesn't always work the way we would like it to. So people often come to me saying, I've been told my voice is not clear, that is monotonous, or that is not loud enough. And I believe that we all have a perfectly fine voice. We're all born with a great and well-functioning voice. And then we mess it up. We get told not to cry, only to speak when we're asked to put our hand up in school. And then the older we get, the stricter the rules are for which ways it is okay to use your voice without being considered crazy. And these things are not very helpful for our vocal freedom. In this workshop, we focus on the body, because the voice is part of your body. Whatever your body does, your voice is going to follow. If your body is rigid, your voice is also going to be stiff. And if your body is relaxed, aligned, and alive, your voice is going to follow that too. So we're going to work a lot on how do you set up your body in order to have a well-functioning and well-sounding voice. How do you breathe in order to power your voice? And where do you find your built-in resonators that create this rich sound of the voice that you want without effort? We also work on how you can energize your voice and make it sound more interesting to listen to you by playing with the balance between vowels and consonants, and also playing around with the pauses, pace, pitch, and other things. So join us for this workshop and discover the joy of exploring what your voice can do and the joy of making your voice heard.